Welcome to Using Department User-Defined Fields to create fields for reporting. Let's get started. Do you have difficulty in displaying reports by internal sections in your company? So for example, maybe you have senior executive that needs reports just for their area, but you wouldn't be placing names inside of your organization, location, or function. There is a way if you use departments, or you can also use requisition UDFs, but we're going to focus today's session on reviewing department user-defined fields for your reporting needs. I'm going to be doing this review in Internet Explorer because some of the configurations are not supported in Chrome. So what you want to do is we're going to go to configurations, and we're going to go to recruiting administration, and under fields, we're going to go to departments. So you can see that I have a few different department fields here. And we're going to do a create. So when you create a user-defined field for departments, it is the same as the requisitions and candidate fields. You can create any type. So you can create a text, you can create a selection. So I'm going to create a selection, and I'm going to say that this is Chiefs, and I'm going to put just name 1, name 2, and we'll add 3. I'm going to add them into my selection, make it a drop down, and I have languages in my zones, so I am just going to update that. Click done. So now I am going to go into my newly created field. I am going to make my edit. So I'm going to make it available in recruiting, and I want to make it available in custom report. If I need any type of contextualization, so if there was any OLF contextualization, I can do that here as well. And if it was from a requisition type perspective, I can also include the exception. So same as requisition, candidate, and offer fields. So now I am going to go in my breadcrumbs. I'm going to return to recruiting administration, and I am going to go into my department field layout. So I have a few of them already. I'm going to click my add, and you can see that my field is now available. I'm going to bring it into my selected, click done. I can change the order if needed. So I can kind of put it and do an apply. And so now I'm going to return to recruiting administration. And under general configuration, I'm going to go to my department list. So I can select any of my departments. And as I click on the department name and I scroll to the bottom, you will see the fields that are the company. So for me, it's Acuity Cloud Solution fields. And under my departments, I am going to update and put the information that I want. Quickly, I forgot to translate, so let me just quickly go back. And update that. All right, so let's return to my department list. I'm going to go into one of my departments. I'm going to update, save. So now my department now has my name 1 under Chief. So I'm going to click Done. And I'm going to close. So I am now going to go to Oracle Business Intelligence to show you where you're going to be able to kind of get that field to kind of add to your department, and whether you use it just as an information or as a filter. So I'm just going to do a catalog, and I'm going to click New. And we use recruiting. And I'm going to go to my flex fields. So my flex fields right here. And let me just expand this. And you can see I have my department. And I have the number. Now, just a reminder in terms of getting the name or the number of the UDF, you would go under Recruiting Administration. You're going to go to Custom Report Universe. You're going to click the tab of Department, and you're going to see that Chief is number 3. So when I go to my number 3, I can add that just to kind of display it. I'm going to do a filter. And I have my name 1 because I only updated one department with that information. So that's why that's the other 2 and 3 are not displaying, because it's to the requisition itself. And that's the end of using department user-defined fields to create for reporting. Thank you.